Hello everyone and welcome to the hands-on demo on Amazon EventBridge. So this is the hands-on demo overview. So in the middle I have Amazon EventBridge and there will be an EC2 instance, and this EC2 instance will trigger an EventBridge rule. So whenever the state is changed from starting or running to stopped, so it will just listen for stopped state. This EventBridge rule will trigger, and once this rule is triggered, it will communicate with simple notification service topic, and that simple SNS topic will send an email. So I'll be receiving an email after I stop an Amazon EC2 instance. So first step is to create an EC2 instance for testing. So I will log into AWS console and search for EC2. So click on launch instance. So I am in North Virginia, US East 1 region, which is the default region for all the labs and demos. And so just provide a name for your EC2 instance. So I'll just copy as it is from the demo and click on launch instance. You can keep all the default settings as it is. There's no need to change anything because we will not be logging into this particular EC2 instance. This is just to showcase that if I stop this instance, whether I get a email notification via EventBridge. Launch instance. So I don't need to create a key pair. So just say proceed without a key pair and click on launch instance. So let this instance come to running state, and I will continue with the next steps. Okay, next is to create an SNS topic. So search for SNS service. So I'll open this in a new tab. Give a name, create topic. So I'll just copy the name. Next step, just choose standard. Rest all values you can keep as default and click on create topic. So once you have created the topic, you have to add a subscription. So go to subscription. Click create subscription, and if you just click, it will auto populate. So pick one of that. So there is only one, and select email. So I'll just give you a personal email or any email for testing. Okay, here, and click on create subscription. So at this point it will send an email so that you can confirm and if you want to receive email from this particular AWS service. So I'll just have to expand it because there were other email. So this is the latest one, confirm subscription, and subscription is confirmed. So next is to create an EventBridge rule. So for this I have to go to EventBridge service. So I will open this in a new tab. So just select the EventBridge rule, the first option. Give a rule name. So I will call this EC2 stop rule. Keep others, description is optional, and keep other values as default. So there are two types, based on some event which is event driven, or based on some schedule which is based on some kind of fixed schedule. So other options you can keep as default, AWS events or EventBridge partner events. So the first option itself, sample event optional. This is also no change. Only in the creation method I have to modify some settings. So in the event source, select AWS services, then EC2. AWS services, you can type in EC2, choose that, and event type is EC2 instance state change notification. So if you just search for state, you can choose the EC2 instance state change notification, and event type specification, I'll just pick specific state and choose stopped. So this is all the settings. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and stopped. So this is how it looks like. So I'll just say next. And next is targets. So for targets you have to select the SNS topic which we have just created. So AWS service, first one, default option. Just type in SNS topic and topic which we have just created. Rest all settings are just default, so we don't need to do anything. And click on next. Tags are optional. And this is how it looks like. So you can just review and create. Click on create rule. So this EC2 stop rule, EventBridge rule is created. So now we will just test the our EventBridge rule. So for this we have to stop the EC2 instance. So I am on the EC2 dashboard page. So I'll just have to click instances. So I'm at EC2 dashboard. Okay, and there's only one EC2. So I'll just select that instance state. Click on stop instance. Confirm stop. So this is now stopping. So at this point there should be an email stating that EC2 is being stopped. So I have got a email received. So I can see this is 0 minutes ago, and this all the EC2 information is here, and the whole event is sent like a JSON object. So that's all, and I can just clean up all the resources. So first is to delete EC2 instance. So I'll go to EC2 dashboard and instance state, terminate delete instance and terminate. So this will get terminated automatically after some time shutting down, and then it will go to terminated state. Next is to delete the SNS topic because we no longer need that. So I go to topics, click on the topic and delete. Type in delete me. I can delete the subscription also. So both topic and subscription is deleted. Next is to delete the EventBridge rule also. So I go to EventBridge, and if I go to rules, just select the rule and click on delete. Type in delete. So the EventBridge rule is also deleted. And that's all. Thanks for watching.